Which country is facing unrest due to a sudden spike in fuel prices in January 2022? Kazakhstan. Name the Pakistan-born surgeon among team who made history with pig-to-human heart transplant. Dr. Muhammad Muhyiddin. First ever pig-to-human heart transplant was performed in USA on January 12, 2022. Who was the recipient of the pig's heart? David Bennett. Which ex-European Parliament president died on January 11, 2022? David Sassoli. A new variant of COVID-19, IHU, is spreading in which country? France. Who will replace Mohamed Sanusi Barkindo, a Nigerian representative, when his second term as OPEC Secretary General ends July 2022? Haitham Al-Ghais. For how many years Angela Merkel served as the Chancellor of Germany? 16 years. Which of the following country is not the member of AUKUS Pact? New Zealand. Japan recently signed reciprocal access agreement with which country? Australia. Zhang Ming becomes Secretary General of SCO belongs to which country? China.